Welcome to Archiesense. Lake Hayes House by Ben Hudson Architects is a contemporary home in Queenstown, New Zealand, situated on the shores of Lake Hayes on a rocky sloping terrain. The house is spread over 2 levels, with a portion visible from the street designed as a solid lowland form, inspired by the tradition of hidden gardens surrounded by stone walls. The local vernacular style of carved stone ties the house to its location, while providing privacy and protection for the owners. Upon entering the house, the contrast between the transparent elements and the light that flows into the space reveals views of the lake and mountains. Large windows add to the impression that the house is floating above the landscape. Clerestory windows above the stone walls allow natural light to flood in and provide views of the surrounding hills. From the street, the house appears as a single-story structure. The main living area and master bedroom are located on this level, opening onto an outdoor terrace and wood-burning fireplace overlooking the lake. Downstairs are the children's bedrooms, a study and a family room opening onto an informal wooden deck. The texture of the board-covered concrete enhances the sense of the building's connection to nature. The outdoor terrace and fireplace connect to a small east-facing garden, providing a place for the owners to enjoy their morning coffee. Stone steps lead to the kitchen garden and courtyard hidden behind a stone wall. The kitchen, dining room and living room are open plan with custom-made wood details. A metal and glass structure above the stone wall adds a touch of simplicity to the design. Inside, the spaces appear to float above the lake, but from the outside the house is clearly integrated into the landscape. The house was designed as a functional residence with space for everyday needs, including space for muddy boots, as important as the entertainment space. That's it for our video this time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.